Hello there everyone and welcome to Bruce Grove Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 710-117 and 710-108 working the 1217 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Next to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 745-104, working 1 Bravo 49 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station is 710-259 and 710-128, working the 1223 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Cheshunt. Coming up right behind him for Greater Anglia is 745-006, working 1 Bravo 62 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. And following on right behind him for Greater Anglia is 720-508, working 2H28 from London Liverpool Street through to Cambridge North. Departing next from the station is 710-109 and 710-103, working the 1232 London Overground service from Enfield Town through to London Liverpool Street. Next to pass through the station for Greater Anglia is 720-552, working 2H27 from Cambridge North through to London Liverpool Street. Arriving next into the station is 710-111 and 710-120, working the 1237 London Overground service from London Liverpool Street through to Enfield Town. And as that disappears into the distance, here comes 745-107, working 1 Bravo 51 from Stansted Airport through to London Liverpool Street. Rounding the corner next for Greater Anglia is 745-102, working 1 Bravo 64 from London Liverpool Street through to Stansted Airport. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 710-128 and 710-259, working the 1247 London Overground service from Cheshunt through to London Liverpool Street. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.